one of the first things I tell business owners is that AI success is all about being great at prompting. I'm Emily Leiding from Microsoft. I use Copilot's researcher agent to get up to speed before important meetings. I just enter a few details and it quickly pulls together a tailored, content-rich summary and even suggests strategic talking points. Once I've checked the outputs, I can walk into my meetings feeling super prepared and confident. By now, you may have dabbled with prompting generative AI tools like Copilot or ChatGPT. There are loads of tools to choose from, and you've probably had some good or maybe some mixed results. But now's the time to step it up. Remember, your output is only as good as your input. The best way to start is to think about grit: your goal, your role, your instruction, and your task. Let's start with goal. What business problems are you solving? And who is the solution for? An example, I want my customers to follow up with clients on time, to deliver as expected. Then define the role. What perspective or expertise should the generative AI use? An example is act as a team leader focused on client service excellence. And then instruction. What outcome or style do you want? Recommend a clear, repeatable process for client follow-up that aligns with our delivery strategy. Finally, task. What specific outputs do you need? Create a follow-up email template and a checklist that my team can use after every client meeting. Always make sure you check the results you get for accuracy and keep asking AI to refine and tweak until you're happy with the output. Want to take it to the next level? Try agentic AI. These are smart assistants that can help optimize business processes without needing to be prompted every step of the way. Start by building your AI agent in a generative tool like Copilot Studio. Load in your website, sales flyers, social handles, marketing collateral, and see what it can do to unlock more time. But remember, these agents aren't infallible. They need careful setup and ongoing monitoring. Quick tip: when you're ready to try agentic AI, use generative AI and it can help you build it. For example, ask for a step-by-step guide to creating an AI agent that can become your administrative assistant. Summarize your emails, set up meetings, schedule tasks automatically, and free up your time for more productive tasks. Do this one thing today. Try the GRIT method. To keep learning and growing, search CommBank Business Masterclass.